pick this one up. It's a bit heavy. Triple double check. Looks good, no?
Hmm.
It's loud. Do you want to bite?
Work is done. Everyone has showered, has been fed, has been cleaned
You
up.
haven't showered.
Except of me, that's what I want to say. Except of me. Me, the last one. And it is
Wait.
12. Oh, it's a nice snowy place. By the way, I have the phone 1 year and I still have the random wallpapers.
Me too, I think.
So it's 12:05. We have to finish cementing everything. Right? I think everything except of this brick there. This one. Oh, that we could not do. Because...
Don't touch it. I already dropped it.
Did you drop it already?
Yeah, it unsticked.
So we need to do this one tomorrow. The ceiling has been 2, 3.5.
Yep.
Oh.
2.5.
So, I'm a bit cold. I'm gonna go shower and see you.
Good morning, it's the next day. I have worked all day and I have finished up the ceiling.
Nice.
Yesterday we finished up all the cement and we did the cement on the surrounding of the windows, which looks really nice and clean. Took me maybe 5-6 hours to do just the 2 windows. So that was the job for yesterday. I would have been finished with the ceiling yesterday, but I needed this one as well.
Oh yeah.
This one here. I don't know if we showed any of it.
We showed making it, but not
we
finished.
did this one. Extended with bricks and the wood on top. It's a bit out of level, but
a bit.
It's a bit up. But yeah, everything is pretty much done. We have one hole there left of cement because it was really difficult without falling in. And we have there something cracked the cement, so we're just going to cement a bit over it. But yeah, everything's ready to clean. We're going to clean it all up. And then tomorrow we're going to lack the ceiling, lack the walls, and primer first, then lack.
And maybe in the evening start the floor.
In the evening we might even have a floor. Today I will continue on and make the bed.
Continue? You haven't started.
I mean, I will start the bed. I need to go look for the woods. I need to cut them and...
Find the design first of all.
Yeah, the design's probably going to be the same as ours.
As
long as I can find all the woods.
I think design's going to be what woods we have.
Yeah, whatever the woods we have is the design. We just need 4 corners, 4 legs, and... No, 4 corners, 4 sides, 4 legs, and...
Okay, confusing. Good.
Yeah, let me go going. This is all the material we need to make the bed. Now, the bed we have already made, it's exactly copy-paste, exactly the same material. Back, front, everything is the same. So, link in description how we made the bed. It's gonna be same step, same everything. We are super lucky that we even found exactly the same material because these are our last big beams that are long enough for the bed we want. So, luckily, it's gonna look really amazing. We have working on the bed and we have a bit of a problem as the chain is a bit dull. I've overused it and I sharpened it for like half an hour and I cannot get it to cut straight. So look how it cut a little bit off.
A little bit.
So I cannot use this as the legs because this is just ridiculous to make them all straight. So I'm making a new design.
And we cannot cut it with any of those tools.
Yeah, with these 2 tools. Let me show you how they look. This is the new design. I prefer this actually because if you look from the top, they look really, really awesome.
And it doesn't look so bulky like ours, really.
Yeah.
I mean, this is also super cool. But it has a thing on it. I don't like it.
It's another style.
Another style. We can make something like stalls with those. We can figure out something.
Something
to do. We can put a pillow or something. I don't know if you have any ideas.
Or you can make a flat thing on top and it could be a chair.
Yeah, or a small table. I don't know. We will figure that out.
Yeah. So the electrical has been done. We finished it.
Yeah, as you can
need
see.
their little woodies, but everything is wired up. Everything's attached to the walls.
Plugs.
Everything's wired up. Yeah. We have lacked up the walls.
No.
If you wanna
no,
see,
we haven't.
We haven't lacked them. We have primered them. But if you want to see how we're doing that, videos in description from the previous room. We didn't show it because we're really busy
and obviously this room is a copy paste of another room.
Exactly. Yeah.
So it's literally all the videos will be linked down below.
Yeah, and the ceiling is all locked. It's all nice and beautiful. Everything is coming together, and tomorrow we are gonna put in the floor. And then the floor is done. The door needs to be done.
While you do the floor, I'm gonna do the door.
The door needs to be painted and done. Then maybe, hopefully, in the evening we can assemble the bed, put on the mattress,
and that's it.
And let it deflate, extend, whatever. Yeah, but I think that's pretty much it with the room. Then after that, I need to make the little lights in the morning.
I need to clean the windows.
Really packed day, because we only have 2 working days still left.
Yeah.
2 working days, and that's it. So tomorrow needs to be quite a lot of things done in one day, and then on Monday, I guess
marks the bed,
we finish up things, polish up the whatever we need. Yeah, pretty much, and cut the grass, whatever. Oh, no,
we can't. Our trimmer's broken.
It's so many problems.
It's a lot.
But let's focus on the room. We have two working days.
Yeah.
To finish this. This is ridiculous. Ridiculously fast.
So let's go eat. It's already 11:30 or something. Let's go eat.
I'm hungry, I'm cold, I'm tired.
Let's go.